Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Birchbox for April. It's a beautiful box this month. Pretty little flowers on it. And the card says, feed your mind, body, and soul. You always get a list of the products on the back with some more detailed information. And the first thing I'm pulling out is this hair plumping mousse. I don't think I've ever received mousse from Birchbox. I normally get like dry shampoos. So I'm excited to try this, especially that it's supposed to be plumping. My hair is very long, and because it's long and heavy, it's oftentimes flat. So I'm excited to give that a try. We also have a multi-active SPF 20 sunscreen. So it's a day cream. It's perfect for all skin types. It's about that time of year that we'll start getting a lot of skincare products because it's almost summer. So I'm loving that. I do spend a lot of time outside and I do have fair skin, so I definitely need sunscreen. And this has a nice smell too. It doesn't really smell really strongly of sunscreen. So that's awesome. Also have, let's see, what is this? Fill and Tame. This is Tinted Brow Gel, which I could definitely use. I like the packaging too, it's a really pretty color. So it looks just like the current brow stuff that I use, just a little tiny wand. Cool. Very excited for that. They don't give eyebrow products that often, so it's a nice little change. Then we also have from Coola another SPF 30. This is a primer though. It says Dawn Patrol Classic Primer. And the very last item, it says Lipstick Queen. Natural. I wonder if that's a lip liner, I guess. Let's see. Yep, lip liner. And then it does show like the retail values for the full size items, which is kind of handy. And sometimes I think there's promo codes on there as well. So that's what came in my April Birchbox this month. If you want to see what I got for Ipsy, I will have that up shortly. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.